Today's video, we're going to be unboxing some mirrors, some tow mirrors. We're going to be putting them on the Suburban and checking them out, the quality and stuff. These is eBay mirrors, and they weren't that expensive. They're like 80 bucks for both mirrors. Now these does not got the turn signals in them because we opted out on that because we don't want to have to hook up and of the tow mirrors with the turn signals inside. So we get a nice box, well packaged, looks well packaged. This is the tow mirrors. That's pretty good quality, ain't it, Shane? They feel heavy duty. Do they oscillate out? I would say they do. They look like they do. Yeah, they do. They pull out. Ugh. Probably easier to do when they mounted. Hey. Tow mirrors. Anyway, let's get to installing. They held together with 2 studs and 1 nut. Thought they was 3 studs. I'll show you how to take them off. Now you might hear a little air compressor in the background, just ignore it. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it or not, but these are held on just like so, and they got a clip right here. That clip pops out. Us stayed with it, but you should be able to pop it out with the clip. Inside of here, if you look, you see your studs. It's coming. Now a 10 socket and a 10 winch is what we're using here today, and it's going to be a little hard to get to unless you have a flex head winch.
These only have 2 studs.
These only got 3.
Yeah, what's the deal there?
I guess they cheap eBay, or maybe they come with extra hardware. They might. Yeah. So we're going to be using a screw-in stud, looks like, on that one, as I said before. And don't forget, your mirrors plug in, you can unplug them. That's extra long, ain't it? I guess it gives you extra bite. Or maybe...
It won't tighten all the way up against the... Unless we're supposed to thread it in another way.
What?
Maybe. That's too short, though.
No, does it got more with it?
No. Just another one.
Here's the instructions that came with brackets, and they look like they ain't gonna make no sense to us. Okay, still makes no sense. This makes no sense the way the instructions say, because it's no matter if we do tighten it the way it say, we're gonna have that much threads not showing. So what we did is we flipped the bracket, and you can see this is for this side, and it fits under here. The long part goes back here and presses against the door like it should. You can see like a back in place, and then it wraps around here and your cover can go back on. Is this what they meant? I don't know, you tell me. So we're going to put the cover back on. We're going to close this door and take a look at the big bad tow mirror. Ugh, I don't know how you extend them, Shane, but I know they extend out. They look extremely good on this Suburban, don't they? We're going to put a lift, a small maybe 1-inch lift, and then maybe about a 1-inch body lift. We're going to take it up 2 or 3 inches. I think it's going to look good. So if you found this information helpful, let me know in the comment section below. If you was having trouble installing your tow mirrors, let us know if this video helped. We got to air our tires up, get the other side on, and get to going.